Good morning and namaste. Okay, check your answer that I have taken test of yesterday. Okay, one number. I know Mohan will get Ram. I know Mohan will get Ram. I know Mohan will get Ram his cloth. So see here, subject plus get plus agent. So here we have option to wash. So I know Mohan will get Ram to wash his cloth. 2 number. My teacher made me. My teacher made me. So a lot is here. Subject plus make plus agent. We need what? B1. So write. My teacher made me write a lot. 3 number. They have their. They have their hair. Daughter is there, and every second month is there. Every second month. So they have their hair. So subject have here object. So subject plus have plus subject plus B3. So cut. They have their hair cut. What will be here? Correct answer? Cut. Similarly, 4 number. Salina got the goldsmith. Salina got the goldsmith. Daughter is there and her jewelry is there. So Salina got the goldsmith. See here, subject plus get plus goldsmith agent. So subject plus get plus agent plus 2 plus B1. So 2 police. So correct option is 2 police. The right answer is here 2 police. 5 number. He got me. He got me. Dot 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 off is there, and you have the option turn, to turn, and turned is there. So subject plus get plus agent plus 2 plus B1. So what will be here? To turn. To turn. Subject plus get plus agent is equal to turn. So he got me to turn off a tap. 6 number. C. Hurry buy an extra book, and we have option makes, gets, and have. So here you can see subject causative verb is missing plus agent plus B1. So subject plus causative verb plus agent plus B1. So 2 causative verbs with agent take B1. One is make, next one is have. So here C is here singular, and here you can see makes. It is also singular. This one is correct. Here have it is plural. If has was there, sorry, if has is here, then has is also correct answer. But have is there, and C never takes have because have is plural and C is singular. So that's why the correct answer is makes. 7 number. He has the television. He has the television. Then on is here, and you have option turn. So he has the television. Subject plus have plus object plus V3. So turned. So he has the television turned on. 8 number. C. Hari sing a song. Sing a song, and we have option make, gets, and has. Make, gets, and has. So subject causative verb missing, agent plus V1. So subject, agent plus V1. So two causative verbs with agent take V1. One is make and next one is have. So here C is there singular. So make is plural. It can't be. With get, gets is wrong answer, because if get is here, used here, then 2 plus V1. But here only V1 is here, and here has is here, and here C. So that's the correct answer is has. So C has Hari sing a song. Now 9 number. The hermit made us dot dot dot. So the hermit made us, and option is there pick, to pick and pick. So the hermit subject made make, subject plus make plus agent is equal to V1. So here pick some oranges from the tree. So the hermit made us pick. The hermit made us pick some oranges from the tree. Why? Subject plus make plus agent is equal to V1 plus V1. 10 number. The hermit got the minister. The hermit got the minister. The poor. And we have option solve, to solve, and solve. So see here, the hermit subject plus get plus agent. Subject plus get plus agent is equal to 2 plus V1. So 2 solve. So the hermit got the minister to solve the poor. To solve the poor. So what is the correct answer? To solve. 11 number. The anchorite got the prince. The all the people. So see here the structure, subject plus get plus agent, again 2. So 2 plus V1, so 2 forgive all the people. To forgive all the people. So what is the correct answer? To forgive. Why? Subject plus get plus agent. 12 number. He has my property. He has my property in the bank is there. So we have the option deposit. So he has my property. Subject plus has plus object is equal to B3. Deposited in the bank. So he has my property deposited. Subject plus have plus object plus B3. 13 number. C got me to work for her. And we have option get, had, will get. Get, had, will get. So subject causative verb missing plus agent plus 2 plus V1. So subject plus causative verb plus agent plus 2 plus v1 in use it get. So subject plus get plus agent plus 2 plus v1. So get. So get cannot be over here because C is singular and get is plural. So had cannot be there. So will get. We have the option will get. So she will get me to work for her. What will be here correct answer? Will get. Why? Because if we use here get, then C is singular but get is plural. So we can't use plural verb for the singular. But here we have what? Modal verb, and modal verb can be used either with singular or the plural one. Similarly, 14 number. He made everyone. He made everyone. He made everyone. Dot 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 is there, and option laugh. So subject plus make plus agent is equal to v1. So laugh. So he made everyone laugh. 15 number. So I get my clothes at dry cleaning. At dry cleaning is there. At dry cleaning. So I get my clothes. Subject plus get plus object is equal to b3. So washed. So I get my clothes washed at dry cleaning. Similarly, 16 number. Raj made me a joke. A joke at any cost. A joke at any cost. So see here, subject plus make plus agent is equal to v1. So here we have option tell. So Raj made me tell a joke at any cost. 17 number. My sister got her son. My sister got her son here and to the market. See here, subject plus get plus agent is equal to 2 plus v1. So to go to the market. To go to the market. Are you checking? It is very easy. If you learn the structure, it is very easy one. Now come to 18 number. I had an old man. I had an old man. Then after that, me the facts is there. Me the fact, and here dot is there, and we have the option tell. So I subject plus have plus agent. Subject plus have plus agent is equal to v1. Tell me the facts. So tell I had an old man. Tell me the facts. How? Subject plus have plus agent plus v1. 19 number. My father makes me. My father makes me. So again, this one is the subject plus make plus agent is equal to v1. So work. Work, and at last hard is there. So my father makes me work hard. And last number, he had his breakfast. So he had his breakfast. He has his breakfast. Subject plus have plus object plus b3. So prepared. So he had his breakfast prepared. Subject plus have plus object plus v3. So these are the answer I have written over here. You can check out of 20 how many you have made it correct. So tomorrow onward we will study textbook. Okay, so please message me Yes, up to where the textbook is accomplished. From there I will start. Okay, so only this much for today. At last, stay home, stay safe, have a good day. Thank you.